Hey, hello guys. So welcome to new fresh video. And this video is specially for those who have not a laptop or PC for coding. So in this video, we are going to see mobile applications for an Android on which we can do coding of different programming languages. But in this video, we are specifically focusing on C programming. So here we are going to show about five best apps, so you can use that. So if you like this video, subscribe this channel and share with your friends so they will get benefit. So let's start this video. First of all, open the Play Store. As I am using the laptop, I'm going to website, and personally I have used these apps for C coding, and when I was not having a laptop. So just go to Play Store, and I am giving the link of this app as well in the description. You may check out. And the first app is Coding C, the offline C language compiler. It is the best, one of the best compiler which is available for Android, and you can install it by clicking on this install. You can check these frames and how the interface is, how to run, and this is a very easy app to use and run the codes. There are lot of features they have given, so as like this tab is given, so you can for a semicolon you need not to go from that keyboard to functions and enter that semicolon. You can directly give semicolon from this tab also, and different features are given, different symbols are given, so you can use that one, and you can save these files. You can share these files as well, and most of the codes it will done on this app as like a PC or a computer. So it is having 4.1 rating, and you can read these reviews if you want. And it is of small size, only 90 MB's app, and nowadays 90 MB is not such a big deal. So you can check out this for your this purpose of coding. So next app is name of this app is Decoder Compiler IDE for code and programming on mobile. This is the one of the best IDE available for mobile or Android phones, because it has that much of options to code efficiently. Uh, this app can be used for different types of languages, means you can use for C, CPP, Java, HTML, CSS, and other all stuff. You can check out from here. Lot of uh, languages are supported by this app, and the size of this app is also very small. This is only 13 MB app, and it is not 13 MB is today we is in saying the WhatsApp status and all the stuff. So this is small size, and requirement is also very low, so you can easily install on your mobile. Review are also good, rating is also good. So if you find any difficulty to search this app, I am giving the link of this app in description. You may check out. And third app is name of this app is Online Compiler. This is also very good compiler for mobile platform. It is also supports many of languages like C, CPP, Java, JavaScript, Python, Ruby, and the only one thing is you need to install, and you have to use it with the internet connection. It requires net for compilation of the code, and the size is about only 3.7 MB, and requirement is also low, so you can easily download this app. You can check this reviews if you want. Rating is also good, and overall it is the best. If you facing a issue with storage in your mobile, this is a best app for you. Name of the this app is Turbo C Droid. Mm, this is also good compiler for C. The most futuristic thing in this app is the already given us some examples. Um, so you can learn from this that code, and you can do that, and it will give a feel like you are using on a laptop or a PC. So it is a great thing to do. So it will feels like it is normal as the other are doing on a laptop and you are using mobile. So same feeling you will get, and rating is also good. Reviews you can check out, and size of the app is again only 6.1. Name of this app is C Compiler ID. The name itself suggests this is compiler for C only. Um, this is also great app. UI is simple, and reviews also good. I have read on them, and rating is also good. 3.9 is a good, and the size is about 12 MB, and requirements are too low. So if you're having a mobile of 7 8 years old, even though you can run this app on that. um, all necessary features are present in this app. So don't hesitate. If you have any question or query regarding this any app from any point of view, so comment below. I will resolve that and I will give you answer. Keep supporting, and thank you for watching.